Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session, we will learn how to activate created models in Django framework web application. See here, earlier video we have created that classes of two, the movie and song, the model. How to working for this with model, how to sync and how to make it is an activate to run a functionality. Now let's see. Earlier class I have explained you that on settings page there is an by default the apps which is already came with that Django framework, the admin auth, and these are the sessions. Now we are creating an app, added an app like it's a music, to creating a music movie album with the songs, right? See here, for that we are creating customization of the app. For that we need to add app over here, that the name of the app, that is music, music, the folder name, and there is an apps called music apps, apps dot the configuration file, the class of this app. This is, now you will clearly understand that these are the items, admin, auth, content types. These are the sessions. By default it came with the Django framework. Now we are customizing that application by adding one sprightly music app. This here we need to define like music.apps.music config. Now let's see here. Here it is in a database is there, SQL3 Lite. We prepared the models. These are the two models. We prepared these two models, and till now we have seen in the last video, for these two models they have to create tables on the specified database, and for creating of the records, inserting of the records, and performing such actions, insert, delete, update, CRUD operations, we can call it as. Okay, for that we need to such a simple commands are there to synchronize with the database as well as application of that app. Okay, so let's see. Very simple commands are there here. Python manage make migrations app, Python manage py make migrations. Earlier we have done it, that migration music. Now let's say enter. The package, it says something. Let me check. Now it's a capital letter, it's showing here that I have created, cleared. Let's check the run, that Python manage py make migrations music. Now let's see here, that make music migrations 001 initial.py created two models, one is movie and another one is songs. Now let's check that whether, if we know that that the thing only for we know SQL commands. Based on that, there is a facility over here. Take this Python manage py SQL migrate music. There here it's showing 001. It's a code. It's given that ID. Click enter. Now let's see here. It's similarly it's showing that SQL command. That framework will take care all these things. See that create model movie and create model song, create table, that music movie ID, a primary key auto increment itself, it is taken that ID, and create table, the music songs ID, it is taken care. Okay, that movie ID, it's the indexing. Such a good job it will done itself. It is created the things of all the tables. Will it be synced with the main project? From the model we have synced with the database itself. Again it's required to sync with the application, which is what we created, web app. For that there isn't a command with that. Again once we clicked this counting of application implementation to the databases, Python manage py migrate, click here. See, all migrations like admin, auth, content types, music, sessions are applying initial or OK. Now let's check that server will identify over here by running the server. If any issues are there, it will be represented over here. Let's check. See here, check identified, no issues. In the sense, the complete database and the model and app, that application where we will see here that app, in the sense these are the default apps which is came from that framework, admin, auth, content types, sessions, manage, static files, and all the things including music config, which are functioning with a zero errors. There is no issues. We can happily work and code for something what we want to do such things. On coming videos, the interaction with the by using front end and model and with the database. Please subscribe for more videos, like, comment and share of any of your views. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.